Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Chase mobile app update broke login. If the latest update broke your login, here's the fastest way to fix the app. You don't need to wait for Chase to patch it. First of all, first close the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe the app away. After that, you're going to go ahead and reopen it. Then on Android, clear cache or reboot iPhone. On iPhone, you can also go to general store settings and then go to general. Then in iPhone storage, scroll down, find Chase and then offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, you uninstall and then reinstall the app. To uninstall, long press the Chase app icon and then remove app, then delete it. And to reinstall it, open your app store, search for Chase app mobile and then reinstall it. If issues started after the OS update, wait for the next patch. Chase usually updates quickly. Tip: Android users can install an older version from Play Store's previous versions if available, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.